Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve another very popular, frequently asked Google coding interview question. It's on Leetcode 234 palindrome linked list. As you can see here, this is quite popular coding interview problem on Leetcode, quite likable problem as well. So this is a linked list related coding problem that we are going to go through today, and we are also going to implement our Java solution code. So let's start. Given the head of a singly linked list, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. So the constraint says that the number of nodes in the list is in the range of 1 to 10 raised to 5. So maximum 1 lakh nodes will be there in that linked list, and node dot value will range between 0 to 9. So this is some examples here. So the palindrome is basically, so let's talk about this concept here, right? So palindrome is, this concept is mainly for strings, but this is also applicable for numbers also. So in the strings, let's talk about a string, right? So this is a palindrome, right? ABA, because you read it from left to right, it is ABA. You read it from right to left also, it is ABA, right? So ABA, right to left, and left to right also same, right? So this is a palindrome example. Okay, another palindrome example can be ABCBA, right? So this is another palindrome example. You can read it same from both the sides, it is same basically, right? So now for numbers also we can consider it's a palindrome. So this is one example, palindromic linked list, right? So why it is palindrome? Because you can read it same from both sides, right? 1 2 3 2 1 and 1 2 3 2 1, right? So from both sides it is same. So we consider this as a palindromic linked list. So we'll return true here, right? Okay. This is example which is not a palindrome, right? 1 and 2. This one is not a palindrome. This is another example of a palindromic linked list, right? 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. From both sides it's reading the same. So it's another example of a palindromic linked list. This is one example, right? So this is what, so they are going to give us a linked list, and means head they will give us. So this is the head basically, right? So this is the head. So we have to find out if it is a palindromic linked list or not. Okay, so the problem statement is very clear. So how we can solve this problem? So one way to solve this problem that I'm going to show you today is using stack, right? So we can use a stack to solve this problem. So how we will use stack? So let's go through this example so it will be clear for you. So stack is another very important LIFO data structure, right? So last in first out, right? So whatever you put last will come out first, right, in the stack. So what we will do here is we will go through this linked list once, right, and we'll start putting these nodes into the stack. So you will go to 1, right, then you put 1 here, right, then you will go to 2, right, this 2, then you will put 2 into the stack, then 3, right, then this 2, and then this last one which is 1, right? So you will push it into the stack. Okay, now what we are going to do next time is we will again start iterating through the list. So again head is still pointing here, right? So we'll start again going through the list and we'll start popping out these values and comparing the values. So this one will get compared to this one, right? This 2 will get compared to this 2, this 3 will get compared to this 3, this 2 will get compared to this 2, and this 1 will get compared to this 1, right? Everything is matching, right? If everything is matching, then it means that it's a palindromic linked list, right? It means that basically the concept is it's reading same from both the sides, right? From front to back and back to front it is same. So in that case we'll tell that it's a palindrome, it's true, otherwise we will return false. So this is a stack approach to solve this palindrome linked list problem. So I hope you clearly understood this approach. So we'll implement this code in Java right away. So this is our Java solution, right? So is palindrome is the method we are implementing. Head of a linked list is given to us. This method returns boolean, right? So first we will create a stack. Now in stack we will be putting the values, right? So we'll create it stack of a integer. Okay, stack will hold integers. Now we'll start pointing our temporary pointer to head. We never change the head pointer, right? We always create a pointer towards head, right? So temp will point to head. While temp is not equal to null, we'll start pushing the temp value into the stack and we'll start moving the temp to the next, right? So you are going like this, right? 1, then 2, then 3, then 2, then 1, like this, and you'll start pushing these values into the stack, right? So now your stack is populated after this while loop. Again, your temporary pointer will point to the head, right? Okay, again your temporary pointer will point to the head, which is here basically, correct? Now again we'll start going through the linked list and we'll start popping the values from the stack and we'll start comparing it with the temp values, right? So you remove this value 1 from the stack, you compare it with this one, right? Then you remove 2 from the stack, you compare it with 2, and so on, right? So that's what we are doing. So stack.pop, if it is not equal to the uh, temporary value, right, means the value from the linked list, if they are not same, then in that case we will return false, because it cannot be a palindromic linked list in that case, right? Otherwise we will keep moving the temporary pointer forward, right? Temp is equal to temp.next. So you'll keep looping in this while loop, keep processing all the nodes in the linked list, and you keep checking against the stack if they are matching or not, right? If everything matches properly, then it means that it's a palindromic linked list, so you will return true at the end, right? So ON is the time and space complexity for this code. So let's go ahead, run this code, make sure it gives us correct answers. So for the first test case, we are expecting true and we are getting true, which is a correct answer. For the second example, we are expecting false, we are getting false, correct answer. And for the third test case, we are expecting true. This is the third case I shown you, and we should be getting true here. We are getting true, correct answer. Submit this code to the Leetcode, make sure it gets accepted. And as you can see here, the code is successfully accepted by the Leetcode. These numbers are changing, so I'm not very sure about these numbers. So this is the stack based approach that we can use to solve this coding problem on Leetcode 234 palindrome linked list, another Google coding interview problem. So I hope you clearly understood how we have used stack to solve this problem. So I'm going to add this Java code in my GitHub repository and give you the link of this code so you can check it out. There are lots of other important algorithms and Java solutions which are already implemented and available there for you. Don't forget to check them out. They are quite important ones from interview perspective. If you like the Java solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, we have created a very important coding playlist to help your interview rounds. It is called as Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. We have placed more than 200 most frequently asked very important coding interview problems for you under one playlist. Those problems are asked by Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo many times in their interviews. Those are very important coding interview problems. Make sure you go through them, understand them very well. If you go through those videos, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, Java programming, and coding. It will also help you learn lots of new techniques, lots of new ways of different varieties of problem solving. So make sure you check out those solve coding problems. The name of that very important playlist here is Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. Now, if you are a fresher, junior level developer, and you want to practice more coding problems, to help your practicing purpose, we have created 3 other playlists on this channel for you. The names of those playlists are Codeforces, CodeChef, AtCoder, Codeforces, CodeChef, AtCoder. All in all, more than 800 different varieties of problems are here to help your interview preparation and learning process. If you like this Java solution where we have used stack to find out if the given linked list is a palindrome or not, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from these videos. On this channel we have created lots of helpful videos that you can use to learn more data structures and algorithms. You can also use those videos to prepare well for your interview rounds. Those problems includes stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All those different problems are covered on this channel. There are lots of important data structures questions also. So go through them. It will give you really good preparation for your interview rounds. If you like these videos, then do subscribe to this channel, give it a like to the videos, share these videos with all your friends and colleagues. Click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Apart from lots of solved coding problems, there are other auxiliary helpful videos we have created here for freshers and junior level developers. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them, Java design patterns, Java architecture, SQL programming questions to the freshers, where they will give you database tables. They will ask you to write SQL queries, where you have to use different database concepts like joins, aggregate operations, group band having clauses. Everything is explained in those videos step by step, so you can easily understand them, and also you can also solve and write those kind of SQL queries. There are also videos that discusses Unix related recently asked questions to the freshers like Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions. All are here to help your interview preparation and learning process. If these videos are useful and helpful for you in your interview preparation process, you are learning more problem solving along with Java programming, coding and data structures, then please do leave your messages, your feedback and your comments below these videos. Your messages, your feedback, your comments are highly appreciated, very important and valuable for us. They increase our motivation to create more quality content videos. So if these videos are useful and helpful for you, then do leave your messages below. um, Share these videos with all your friends, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification icon button right away. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process going on continuously. And thanks for watching these videos.